This is a 14-page contract. My AI paralegal just found 3 clauses in it that could cost this company $180,000. It took 90 seconds. A human associate bills 6 hours for this review. In this video, I'll build that AI paralegal from scratch, in front of you, in about 20 minutes. No code, no plugins, just Claude and one carefully engineered instruction set. You'll see the exact system prompt, the 2 tests it failed at first, because showing you the failures is the only honest way to teach this. And at the end, the full template is yours to copy. Free. Link below. Why does this matter? Contract review is some of the most expensive routine work in business, hundreds of dollars an hour, and most of it is pattern matching. Find the landmines, flag the weird stuff, compare against your standard terms. That's exactly what large language models are good at. One line before we start. This is a drafting assistant, not a lawyer. Everything it flags still gets human judgment. That's how real firms deploy it, and that's how we'll build it. Step 1. We're not going to just paste a contract and say, review this. That's what everyone does, and it produces garbage, generic summaries that miss the actual risk. Instead, we give Claude a job description. Watch what goes into it. First block, the role. You are a senior paralegal at a commercial law firm. You review contracts for a company that is usually the smaller party in the deal. That one line changes everything. Now it reads every clause, asking, how does this hurt the little guy? Second block, the checklist. We tell it exactly what to hunt. Liability caps, indemnification, auto-renewal traps, termination asymmetry, IP assignment, payment terms, governing law. 7 categories, the same 7 a human reviewer runs. Third block, the output format. Risk table first, plain English explanation second, suggested redline third, severity score for every finding. No essays. Lawyers don't read essays. Step 2. First real test. I feed it our 14-page services agreement. And here's failure number 1, because I promised you the failures. It caught the unlimited liability clause. Good. It caught the auto-renewal. Good. But it completely missed that clause 11.3 quietly assigns all work product to the client, including our pre-existing tools. A human junior associate misses this too, by the way. It's buried in definitions. The fix teaches you the most important prompt engineering lesson of this video. The model didn't miss it because it's dumb. It missed it because we never told it to cross-reference the definition section against the assignment clause. One added instruction: always resolve defined terms before evaluating any clause. And watch, now it catches it and explains exactly why it's dangerous. Quick heads up, the second failure is sneakier. It's the one that could actually get someone fired, and it shows up when we scale this to 50 contracts. That's in 2 minutes. First, the upgrade that turns this from a demo into a system. Step 3. Real law firms don't review against general best practices. They review against their playbook. So we upload one, our standard positions, maximum liability we accept, our required cure period, our non-negotiables. Now every finding comes back with clause X deviates from your standard Y. And suddenly the output isn't generic advice, it's your company's institutional memory applied automatically. Look at this output. Severity 9, liability. Severity 7, IP assignment. Severity 6, auto-renewal with a 90-day notice window we'd never accept. Each one with a suggested redline in our own house style. This specific table is what $600 an hour looks like. Step 4. Scale. Batch mode. Multiple contracts, one summary table. And here comes failure number 2, the dangerous one. On contract number 4, the model quoted a clause that doesn't exist. It paraphrased two real clauses into one imaginary quote. If a junior employee copy-pastes that into an email to opposing counsel, that's the fireable moment. The guardrail. We add one final instruction. Every finding must include the exact verbatim quote and clause number. If you cannot quote it, mark it as unverified. Rerun. And now every claim carries its receipt. This one rule is why professionals can actually trust this system. What you now have, a first-pass reviewer that reads everything, forgets nothing, and applies your playbook in minutes for about $1 of API cost per contract. What it is not, a signature authority. The workflow that works in practice. AI does the first pass. A human does judgment on every severity 7+ finding. And if you're wondering whether AI can even compete with trained eyes, in a controlled study, 20 experienced corporate lawyers reviewed NDAs against an AI. The lawyers averaged 85% accuracy at spotting risks. The AI hit 94. The lawyers needed 92 minutes. The AI needed 26 seconds. First pass belongs to the machine. Judgment stays human. As promised, the complete system prompt, the playbook template, and the verification rule. One document, free. First link in the description. Copy it, swap in your company's positions, and you have a working AI paralegal today. And if you're wondering whether it's actually safe to put sensitive contracts into an AI, what's protected, what's discoverable, what a federal judge just ruled about AI chats, that video is right here. Watch it before you paste anything real.